Hey guys, today on Tech Tonight, we're gonna install the Xenon HD-ROM on the Galaxy S6 Edge. So first of all, you will have to turn off your device. And for this, you need to have a rooted device. And I've already made a video about it. And link to the video will be up in the cards. Just follow the video and you will root your device and have the custom recovery running on it. So let's go into the custom recovery now. And to do that, we're just gonna press volume up key, home key and power key at the same time. Now let go of the power key and the device will start to boot into the custom recovery. So guys, first of all, we're going to go in wipe and we're going to go in advanced wipe. Here we're going to select the Dalvik ART cache, system, data and cache, and we're going to swipe to wipe. Once that is done, we're going to press home, install, and here we're going to select the Xenon HD ROM over here and swipe to confirm flash. So many people were asking for the installation video and the review of this ROM, so I'm doing it right now. But the ROM was last updated in February and the Android version is a bit old as well, Nougat 7.1.2. Takes a little bit longer to install, so we're just gonna have to wait for it. It takes around 2 to 4 minutes. So guys, when that is done, if you are using the Galaxy S6 Edge, you're going to go back and you're going to have to download another canal file that is down in the description. Just download it and put it in your internal storage. And here you're going to select the install image. Once again, if you are using it on the Galaxy S6 Edge, and select the boot.img. And you're going to select right over here the boot and swipe to confirm flash. And it is done. And you're going to go back. Now you can reboot your device. So let's go into the reboot menu, system, and the device will now boot into the Xenon HD ROM. So guys, the device is booted up and here you have the startup screen over here, which goes straight to Nova Launcher. So I guess the ROM comes with Nova Launcher, and here you can set up your Nova Launcher if you want, or you can skip ahead. So I'm gonna go next, and here I'm gonna select what I really want. So I'm gonna go with the light theme, the immersive theme, and I'm gonna just go with the swipe up, just like the Pixel launchers. So that is about the ROM, and you do get the Nova Launcher, so you have the whole application over here. I'm not sure if it is a paid version or not, so I'm just gonna see over here. So as you can see, it is not the paid version, it is the free version that comes with the ROM. And as you can see, the ROM does not come with the Google applications and you will have to install them separately. I've already made a video about it and link to the video will be up in the cards. Just go ahead and install the Google applications. And as you can see, the ROM does not come with the Super Su or the Magisk as well. So I'm just gonna show you how to install that too, and that comes in handy when you do use an application that needs Super Su permissions, like the Wiper for Android, which is one of my favorite applications to use on an Android device. It gives you an amazing audio experience with your headphones or whatever. So I've already made a video about installing the Wiper for Android on Galaxy S6 Edge, and link to the video will once again up in the cards right over here. And just go ahead and you will install the Wiper for Android on your device. So first of all, you will have to install the Magisk or Super Su, anything over here, but I prefer Magisk because Magisk offer multiple functionality, like you have the Super Su, as well as it gives you a module type system like the Expose installer. So that is why I like the Magisk. So I'm going to show you how to install that. And first of all, you're going to have to power off your device and go into the custom recovery once again. So now let's just go into the custom recovery, and to do that, we're just going to press volume up key, home key and power key at the same time. And now let go of the power key. So we're going to go and install, and here we're going to select the Magisk version 16.0, which is the latest version when I'm making this video. So I'm just going to install it over here. We're going to select it and swipe to confirm flash, and link to the Magisk once again will be down in the description. Just download it and put it in your internal storage. So now we're going to reboot the system over here. So the ROM boots up really quickly and it did not take a lot of time. So I'm just gonna go into the ROM, and here you have the Magisk Manager. So that is really great. And you have all of these things over here, and you also have the Magisk Hide in a couple of As you also see the the CDS check over here, so don't you worry about it. And let's go into the settings and let's go into the about device. So as you can see, you have the Android Nougat 7.1.2, which is not bad, but it is not the latest version. And also you have the Android security patch of January 5. So it is a little old ROM and it has not been updated for a while now, but everyone was messaging me or commenting on my videos that you need to check out this Xenon HD ROM. So that is what I'm doing right now, and I think the ROM looks great at first glance, not the latest looking I think. So as you can see, the ROM does not come with the Google application, so you had an empty folder over here as well. It goes away if it is empty. So guys, I think that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Surya signing off.